Hey, coming at you with another Volkswagen update. I got it painted. So, come take a look. Turned out pretty decent. Got the hard part done. Just gotta assemble it. So, that's not that difficult. Just got headlights, interior, and taillights. So, when you talk about it like that, it's really not that bad. But, the paint turned out spectacular. So, ooh, look at that blue. Look at that reflection, huh? Nice metal flake in there. Turned out very nice. Really hoping to have it on the ground today. I'm gonna do like most of the work when it's up on the stands because it's a little short truck, so it's easier to do it up on the jack stands. Jack stands or knees, one of the two. But get all that stuff put on, get the wheels put on, and I mean that'd be awesome if I get her out of the garage today. But gonna get some little time lapse videos, peeling all this tape off of here. Satisfying. This and then this stuff. Love the noises. The noises are my favorite. It's like bubble wrap, but better because you're unwrapping an even gooder present. So stay tuned, and you'll see this bad boy on the ground here soon.